Hello, hello, welcome back. Let's see. I don't know if it looks better without that or. Let's try that instead. Okay, hello, welcome back. There's gonna be an ad breaker immediately because I like to get them out of the way, but I'm just gonna be running around getting these thingies real quick anyway. How do... I forget how to leap up into the air. That's not how to do it. And now I'm way down here. Shite. Nope. Almost fell again. I always forget how to do that jump. Okay. But yeah, okay, the ads are done, I think. Welcome, welcome, we're about... Oh, that would explain why I couldn't get up there. Trying to set this up ahead of time. You might hear a little bit of a Silent Hill missile. Missile? Ay, shit. I got it just in time. Haha. Oh yeah, the other pre-order character that I don't have because I didn't get the other version. Right? Oh, these are just activating stuff all over the place. Weird. But I like it. I don't think these are just off, or they don't turn off, they're just on all the time, I guess. Oh, I gotta get the other one. I wanna get all the thingies. Where are you going? Oh, you're just kind of hanging out, huh? Oh god, I was gonna say, what? Oh yeah, this is Sonic Adventure 2 Battle Art, I think. If I remember right. Hopefully the closed captions are working again, everything looks good like before. I like to do 100,000 different tests before I start stream. Like I didn't test for the mic ringing sometimes because I'm still using the Blue Yeti I've been using for over a decade, so I don't know if it sounds better or worse. Okay, I got all that stuff. There's Maria, just hanging out. Yeah, I'm strong and confident. And confused as hell. What would that? Oh my god. I'm still trying to hit X twice to do a freaking homing attack. It's throwing me off. I do kind of like it better as square though. In a way. I missed it. I do like this huge open area. It's really cool. There's a lot of little secret thingies to get. And I'm excited to go after I finish the campaign stuff, like to just run around and be stupid and find all the bolts and stuff. Okay, what are you doing? Reach the goal in time while avoiding the interference of the Death Egg robot. Oh, so this is just gonna be the robot being a pain in the ass more than usual. Oh, goody. Hold on real quick. Wait. I have to recalibrate my face. My face. Wait, hold on, it's still not doing it. Is it like bent wrong? Okay. It may not look much different, but oh, that's not good. No. Okay. Okay, how... I forgot how I broke through things. Is it... I don't remember. Oh yeah, it would help if I hit this. Oh my god. Oh, I see. Wait your turn. Oh god. Okay, I did a goof. So do I have to be like really fast here? Oh, okay. That's all there was to it, I guess. Oof. Sometimes my common sense doesn't kick in. It's like, oh, there's the button. There's the path out that's supposed to be obvious. And one more, and I think I'll have the key. Well, no, I won't. I still gotta do the challenges over there. Dash rings, okay. Dash rings. $45. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Big oof. Oh god. I got one thingy. Yes. Ihaha. Ihaha. Give me that key. Also, I gotta find this. I gotta chase the thingies, and then we got 2 more challenges. Do 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 do. Some parts of the road have reappeared. That's 3 keys. Technically, I can go fight the boss already, I think, but I'm gonna collect all the thingies. Where are you going? Hello? How do... That didn't work. I was like, is that some secret way to get over there or something? Oh. What about this one? Where do you go? Are you sneaky little bastard, get back here. Aha! More artwork. Music. Westopolis. I still don't know how to change music though. Is it like that's just I haven't been to the collection room yet. Maybe I'll go to the collection room after the boss. How do I get over there? How do I get over there? I gotta figure out the path. I don't even know what that thing is. Hello, Zongio. Zongeek? Whoops, I'm hitting the wrong things today. What did that do? How do I get up? This is just the switch thingy that turns that on. Oh. I don't know. I don't have enough of that either, so I can't do that. Maybe I can just mess with that later. I want to get this stuff done so I can actually fight some bosses. Or is it just like, don't worry about it because I already got 3 keys, it doesn't even show the other ones anymore. Or am I like where they're at? Oh, I see, because I'm close to them. Oh my god. No. Destroy targets with surf spin. See if I remember how to do that. Ah. What was... Sounded like he's like, shit. And I didn't do it. I'm bad. Did I actually... Wait. I missed 2. Oh my god, I didn't hit retry. Shit. Oof. That one's pretty easy S, I guess. Just don't run into stuff. It doesn't matter if you miss the boxes, you just gotta hit something. Okay, that's... I'm doing great. Or don't hit him. No, go back. Go back. Can I go back? Okay, now I can go. Barely. I don't even care. I just want it to be done. Oi oi oi. Rings and gold. Okay. I like Kingdom Valley. Rings. Give me all the rings. I missed the coin. Shit. Ha. Did I see an Eclipse box? Okay, cool. Well, I had enough, and the ring's over here, so it's fine. I'm not going for S's. I don't know, there's probably some kind of secret thing if you can get S's on everything, but I don't care right now. Okay. You got 4 keys now. And there's still 2 more thingies. I just want to get all these things done just so I don't have to do them again. Oh yeah, they're over there. They're over there. Now to figure out how to get up there. Oh, I see it. I see the way. Oh, okay. Don't get crushed. Don't get crushed, 40. Ha 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 ha. What am I doing? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I did that the same thing but worse. Oh, evade. Oh my god, I keep doing that. Like the boost worked one time, I thought. Safety. Why do these jumps are weird. Oh, I see. Well, that's bad. Wait. Why do you not go up? Oh my god. Sometimes it's... I'm so confused at how that works. I thought it was just like the direction. Okay, now it works. Okay. Whatever, it's done. Jeez. Cheese. I know, I'm just jumping here. Destroy egg gunners and reach the goal in time. Okay. Last little challenge. Then we'll have 5 keys, and then we're just... Whoop. Oh no! Shit, that was so good too. What the heck? Shit. Oh, I stopped for some reason. No, oh my god, why do I keep dying in the same spot? The hell? S, yeah. S, 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 S. Okay, now we're ready for boss time. Meow. I get these later. I can't. Oh, I gotta get the key. Or does it like want me to do this first? Is that where the boss? Yeah, I guess that's the boss area. Makes sense. Death. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah.
Chaos control.
I just don't know if I'm supposed to do that to make it stay open. It's just tempting to do, so I just do it. Who is this? Is this Metal Overlord? Yes! Yay! See how much of a pain this is. I don't think I've actually heard this song. Rawr. And it's Crush 42, yee. Spin, surf, surf, spin, left and right. Knockaways. So that's just slowly damaging him. I see. Shit. Ow, I tried to jump. It's just not letting me jump. I'm just jumping way too late. Aha, yeah, I get it. I missed all of it.
You'll be joining the bubble in the water soon.
Wow. What the heck? Ow. Chaos control, bitch. No. Oh, you got me. You suck. I didn't like that.
Let's see how long you last on such unstable terrain.
You think you can stop me?
Oh, whoops. It's like the Ganon fight. Ow. Ow. Shoot. Oh. Okay, whatever. Is he dead? No. Oh. Damn. Super dead. Was that an S? B. I was about to say, huh? That was kind of sloppy. That was fun. I like that fight. I didn't understand at first because, like, I wasn't sure about the controls about, like, the jump. It's always the jump on some of these things. It just doesn't seem high enough. That's what was kind of throwing me off. Yeah. He's like, not now, but later. Maria.
Shadow, are you in pain?
No. I feel a connection to the symbol in the sky. It's the same tingle as my new abilities.
It.
Hey, Slippy, what's going on?
Black Doom.
Grandfather?
I made a Faustian deal with that monster to create Shadow. Now it seems that we all have to pay for my sins.
So my powers, that symbol, they're all connected.
Yep.
Maria's illness couldn't be treated on Earth. I could better manage her condition on the Ark, even if her family didn't like the idea. I attempted to develop the ultimate life form as a means to find a cure for Maria.
Baby Biolizard.
Reached their frustrating limits. So when that alien warlord reached out to me and offered the miracle of chaos control, I accepted it. Through his DNA, the ultimate life form was born.
Yep.
Black Doom wanted me to make the perfect warrior for him. So these new abilities are all part of his grand design. You two are linked by blood. As you grow in power, so does he. He will either
Yep.
take control of your mind and make you his ultimate weapon, or take over your body and be reborn in you.
Yep, shit's crazy.
You made me the ultimate life form, Professor. Black Doom is a fool. I'll take this power and use it as my own.
Yeah, kick his ass. Everything gonna be changed now? New power. I don't remember what the powers are beyond this point. I don't know if they showed them in the trailers or not. So this area is not changed yet? Or is it because I haven't finished all the challenges, or I have to do this first? That's over there. I'm going the wrong way. Oh. Crap. Wow. That was useless. Do I just gotta make my way over there very slowly?
Something calls to me.
Okay, what's it gonna be this time?
No!
Oh, the tentacles. Oh yeah, Doomor. Forgot about this one. This is like the Splatoon powers. but Venom, I guess. Sing Square.
I can reach higher locations with this.
Or don't get it. That's fine. So you gotta hit the goop stuff. What am I supposed to be getting? Oh, just to get that chest thingy? I thought I was supposed to be getting something, I don't know why. Ooh, a bolt. Yeah. So just go get the other thing unlocked, I guess? That's what it wants me to do? Huh. Oh, hello. Oh, is that like the sky thingy from Heroes? Or is that one of the airship levels? Oh, hello. Yeah, Super Shadow. I used to call him Hyper Shadow. Oh, hello. Is that timed? This reminds me of, Forces. Not Forces, Frontiers. Yeah, you're like building up the sky and everything, the island stuff. I forget. I forget the thingy that you press to do that. I don't know if I have this. Yeah, no books, no stuff like that. I'm just gonna go to this level to deal with this stuff later. This is a something level. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is Frontiers. Whoops. I'm so glad that there's not lives in this game. Oh yeah, that Doom thingy. I'm dumb. Yeah, these are totally Frontiers villains. Okay, or enemies. That's not what I meant to do. Wee. I just love this game. I'm so happy for it to exist. Whoops. It's like best feeling Sonic thing I've felt in a while. Whoops. Ah. Whoa. I still gotta finish. I haven't got very far in Frontiers either. I need to play that on stream at some point. So much noise. Oh, I dead. I dead. Okay, I gotta jump over that. I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it, but that's how I did it. Oh shit. Stuck forever. Oh. Ow. Lava hurt. Pain. I thought I was gonna die there for a second. Oh, hello. Nice. Yeah, I didn't do super hot in that one. But I like that level. My neck crack. Chaos Island. Again. Act 2. Hawk 2. I don't. I. Yes, good, good, good. Oh, why did I think that was a Doom thingy? Whoops. Wait, how do you get that one? So are you invincible when you do that? Oops. Oh, this is scary. Oh, no, no. Yay. Ow. I'm about to die because I'm dumb. Okay. Freedom? Yes, freedom. Chaos Island is done. Minus the challenges. I didn't see another level. I don't know what the other stuff is. I didn't see what the other unlocky thing was. I guess I'm gonna see here in a second. Oh shit, we're in this world. The Sonic Generations one.
I found you, Shadow.
Hi.
Blue Hedgehog, of all places.
You have something I need.
You can wait until my business is finished.
Yeah, sorry, but that Chaos Emerald and I have a date with a monster.
Well then, it'll be a date to die for.
It's just like they just point at each other. You are the boss fight. Ah, they did the thing. Do I actually fight him? I like the remix. I love all the music in this game. Damn, you wrecked your shit.
Nice hustle, but I won this one. So I'm taking the emerald. See ya.
What a jackass. Ah ha ha ha, but off only if.
I finally find you, and what do I see? Sonic defeating you. What happened?
I will beat him on equal terms, or not at all.
Rouge.
A fun time for you to be honorable. Now he has the Chaos Emerald.
No, he has a fake one.
Hehe, the fake
Let me
one.
swap it for the real thing after I'm finished with my mission.
Wow, look at you. As a professional jewel thief, I approve.
Can you tell that Rouge inspired a lot of my design? Chaos Island is completed. Hello. Big help. Yep. No. Oh. Well. Up. Oh my god. Wait a minute, this place, that music sounded kind of familiar for a second, like, Sonic Adventure, like in the temple thingy. I missed it. Oh. This definitely reminds me of Sonic Adventure something. Something or other. Oh, hello. What is this place? Oh, I see. More keys. I have a couple though. Hee hee. See, I thought ahead. 'Cause I'm smart sometimes. It's so weird to just go through every one of these with ease now. This place is weird, very strange. So, those are the last two? Oh no, there's a lot of them. Wait. Never mind, those are the last four. Okay, I did all the other ones, I just haven't finished all the challenges of the other... No, I finished the oh my god. I finished the challenges, but I didn't get the little... I didn't catch all the little musical note thingies. So we gotta get 2 more keys, and we're done with keys. Can I get that? Yes, good, good, good. Alright, let's see what we got. I see they're all Chaos Island stuffs. Chaos Control reached the goal, okay. Okay. I feel like we're almost at the end already. I feel like I've barely started it.
This is the ultimate power.
Oh god, I died. I should have done that ahead of time. Yep, yep, yep. Time stop? Nah. You don't need that shit.
Chaos control.
Ah, shit. Ouch. See, these I don't really mind too much if I lose because... Oh god, oh god. I want to get all the thingies. I don't even need to do that one.
This is the ultimate power.
I missed the coin again, didn't I? Oh well.
Chaos control. Let's do this.
that was a jackass move right there at the end. Just like, oh, you want to go to the end, huh? Well, the ending's or the road's going bye-bye. Yeesh. 3 more remain. Forever. Do morph to reach the goal in time. Oh, this should be fun. Or annoying. I can't really say for sure. Oh my god. Wow, I don't know what the heck that was. I'm kind of glad though I want to get the coin. Where do I go? Oh, that. Okay, I see. Whatever. I missed a couple coins. Oof. So you can't unlock all the things unless you get all the coins. Key coin thingies, whatever. I don't know if I don't think there is any more Doom powers. One key. When the story's done, I'll come back and get the other musical note thingies. They're over there, okay. Wait a minute. What the heck? Oh, I forgot. Hello. Yeah, you got a motorcycle, but not really a picture one. Oh god. Don't have any of those. How do I get up here again? What's that one again? Okay, next one. Gondola Master, right? The floating and sinking gondolas. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Maybe. I'm just gonna pronounce it Chow's Island because of Chow's. I know chaos is a thing, but oh well. Ow. Ouch. Oh well. It's lagging. It's lagging. It's chugging. Ow. I'm right there. Oh, you suck. Hey, I'll take it. Ayo. Return to the mysterious milk realm. One more. Forever. Cyclones. Cyclones. What's a cyclone again? I'll see it and then I'll be like, okay, that's a cyclone. Oh, these things.
This is the
Oh yeah, that's a thing you can do too. I'm forgetting all the things.
chaos.
36. That should be acceptable. Even though I messed it up, whatever, don't care. I think we got all the keys now. The color returns. Yay. Yep, I'll go come back and get all these things done, but I think that's all of them. I believe so. What is these? Like, oh, it's part of the level. Oh yeah, down there, okay. Wait, what? Oh, that's right. I was like, how do I get down there again? Oh, hello. Oh no, it's down here. Whoops. No. Hello. Keys have been achieved. This boss, I don't know if this is Mephiles. Who is this boss? Kind of spoiled it in the trailer, so. Yep. Pretty sure it's Mephiles.
A seal of some sort?
Yes. I never finished Sonic 06. I don't know. I haven't really played it, to be honest, but I don't know why I said finished. I did watch, like, Game Grumps and people play it. He's so cool. Mephiles.
I will then restore myself to the time.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Darkness.
Take that, bitch. Ouchies.
Talking about? Crush you all the same. Out of my way.
Damn. Sucks to be you right now. Half dead already. Oh no, Shadow Clone Jutsu. Oh.
I'll just take care of them all.
Oh, hello. Ow. I'm trying to move, but it's not letting me. I just think I wasted that. Ow. I can freaking move. Can I please attack? I think I get it now. I'm just not hitting him with the square thingy to break it.
Let's do this. Take this.
Beam, 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 beam. Ouchies. I want you to exist too. But you're just such a jackass.
There is no future for you. Ever.
Damn. Shadow is like, you don't get to live. You don't get to exist. B. Since I'm blocking the view. Mephiles down. Matthews down. I just looking over at the captioning, the closed captioning from the side view is just like, I love this. Trying to guess because of my dialect of whatever. New power? If so, I don't remember what it is. Well, I don't know what else is left besides the final boss. Is it time? Uh-oh.
Don't be frightened.
The promised time is nigh upon us, Shadow. Soon you will be mine.
Nuh-uh.
Shadow will never serve you. He's nothing like you.
Gerald may have given him this unassuming form, but the blood of the Black Arms flows in his veins. He is a warrior, a destroyer.
Oh.
The warrior that will destroy you.
Yeah.
I have learned from our last encounter. There will be no mistakes this time. Struggle all you want.
Say all you want. This game is a lot easier than some of the Sonic games, so I don't think I'll have too much of a problem.
Professor, what do you think he means he learned from our last encounter?
Yeah.
I surmise you defeated him at some point in the future.
Yeah, this ain't the same
Grow
Shadow.
a new body and use the nebulous nature of time in white space to accelerate his plans for revenge.
He's right. No more mistakes. This time, I will crush every last one of them.
Shadow, no!
Maria?
Don't turn evil.
Why are you so full of anger? This isn't who you are. Do you know why I named you Shadow? Because without light, there's only darkness. But a shadow will show you where to find the light. Do you understand? I don't
Ah.
want you to be driven by darkness. I want you to be happy. Stand in the light with peace in your heart.
Sounds like Orihime's voice. Not sure though. Has that been canon or they just made that up? I don't remember. Final confrontation? Oh, I gotta get a final technique first. I guess it's my final technique, I don't know. Yep. Oof. Oof that up bad. There we go. Oh, I did not see this before.
Something calls to me.
The power of the darkness. What is this?
No! No!
Oh, this is the... Oh, the Doomwing I can use whenever I want now? Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what's missing? I guess I wasn't thinking I could have just used it here to reach the tops of buildings and this thing. Uh-oh. Is that... Ooh, a portal. It just has like a radical highway of his own just hanging out. Interesting. With at least 50 rings. Oh, you gotta use both of them.
Unleash the power. I feel complete.
Scary.
You cannot deny me, Shadow. You are finally complete. Come,
No.
face me. I shall claim you, mind, body, and soul, and become
Nope.
the perfect being.
Not gonna happen.
It is time.
I'm sorry I put you on this path, Shadow. But I'm proud of how you have walked it. I believe in you, son.
Is this the same Shadow?
Shadow!
It's all right, Maria.
I don't think it is.
I'm letting go of that destructive anger. But I will continue to fight.
This is just the clone that remembers after the events of Heroes because there's a bunch of clones and stuff. I don't know.
Fight with your wish in my heart. Your wish for everyone to have a chance to be happy.
Everybody happy.
Nothing can stop me from reaching that eye now.
Let's use all you have learned. I guess. Uh-oh. Whoops. Mine. In we go. Act 1. Once again, sorry for the sniffings. Oh, we're just going straight to Radical Highways, the final level? I mean, I'm not gonna complain.
Out of my way.
I don't know what that was. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, I'm doing a lot of dumb things right now.
Out of my way. I will overcome every obstacle. With this
Yeah.
power.
Wings. Oh. Nope. Nope. Oh no 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 no, where am I? I can't see it. I was probably supposed to do that, but whatever. That didn't work so well. Uh-oh. I almost missed it. I love Inception. Ow. Ow. Oh my god. Wait. I did not jump over that, I guess? Try this again. I'm trying to like boost over stuff, but it's like no.
Out of my way.
I fly. Whoops, I missed rings. Uh-oh. I fell in a place I wasn't supposed to. At least there's a checkpoint. Oh god, death. I'm not gonna have a good score. Oh, I didn't do the thing. Oh my god, I'm embarrassing myself. Oh jeez Louise. Why did you not use the freaking thing? Or just don't. There we go. Yeah. That's Radical Highway. I love this. Like, every version of this level in this game is just great. Oh man, that was awful. I definitely want to do that again in the future because that was bad. So, is there a phase 2 or is it just straight to the final boss? Yeah, Act 2. I just love there's so much Radical Highway. It's so good. Thank you for this, Sega. This reminds me of Sonic 06 a little bit. That one, like, city destruction level. Uh-oh. Ow. Dangerous. Rings, please. Thank you. Oh shit.
Unleash the power.
Whoops. Death. Wait a minute. Oh, this is far back. What the heck? I gotta kill this thing again. Why do you die there? Or why do you stop there? I hate it. I hate it. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm doing so bad at this.
Unleash the power!
Progress. Why won't you die? Oh, that's bad. I know I'm supposed to probably... Doesn't matter. Oh no. Wait, what the heck? Where am I at? So I guess no motorcycle in this game. Oh no. Oh well. They have everything else, that's fine. Okay, cool. Made it to the rooftop. That's not how you do that. That's not how you do that either. Rah. That... Jeez. This is bad score. Okay, this is gonna take a second. I'm just gonna let him go around again. There we go. Why are you like this? Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I can't tell where I'm going, so I hope I'm doing this right. Where am I? As I said, I don't know. I think I'm supposed to go this way. Oh my god.
Unleash the power.
Shit. Oh my gosh, the end. Yay. Yeah, that was not very good. They don't look at me. That was awful. I think we are now on the actual final boss. Maybe, possibly. Again? Devil Doom, final boss. I guess. See how tough this douche is. Doof. Devil Doom.
The time has come, Shadow.
Agreed. Time to sever this bond between us forever.
Ha 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 ha. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to use all of my abilities together, I guess. No. Escape the fate. Okay. Oh, I see. You're supposed to hit those at you. Ah, okay. I was not expecting to do that much damage. Rawr, rawr. Uh-oh. I hate that when I just run off the road. Oh, he's half dead. He's doing a new thingy. Uh-oh. Ow. Yeah. Get out of here. Oh. That's not good. Oh my gosh. Do I have to start the whole thing? Okay. Oh my god. Sometimes it's just like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, never mind. Yay. Bitch. Neo Devil Doom.
Splendid, Shadow. Truly splendid.
Yes.
Truly my finest instrument. A testament to my bloodline. See yourself as what you
How am I...
I am nothing. I have surpassed you. Time to end this once and for all.
Well, I tried. Where am I going? Laggy. The game do be laggy though. Or my capture stuff is laggy. I don't know if you're actually damaging me when you do that. I am unsure. Wait, oh no. I was supposed to hold it like a dumbass, and I did not.
I am nothing. I have surpassed you. Time to end this once and for all.
What? I'm not paying attention where I'm going. Ow. That's new. This lag is just kind of going crazy for some reason. Ouch. I don't know how many of these hits I can take. Oh, okay. Ow. Bitch. Ow. I don't know if I actually heard him that time. I might have done it too soon. Oh, I am not even paying attention to... Do I have to start the whole thing? Oh my god.
I am nothing. I have surpassed you. Time to end this once and for all.
This makes me think he just runs out of space before you get a chance to attack. Nah. Stinky. Damn it. I need rings really bad. Damn it. Oh my gosh, why does that always happen there? I can never move fast enough.
I am nothing like you. I have surpassed you. Time to end this once and for all.
Ah, shit. I love to miss half of the coins. Giant clusters of coins. Ouch. Okay. Try not to lose half of the coins this time. Rings. Rings is what I meant to say. Okay, let's try not to die this time at this part. I'm trying, I'm trying. Ow. Please don't let that be the end of it. I'm trying. Oh my god. Oh shit. That's not good.
Your future is already decided. We will be one.
No. Pow, 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 pow.
I will not be stopped.
Boom. Final fight.
Cannot deny what you are. We are one and the same.
No. I am light,
This is the destiny I choose.
but shadow. Oh.
Now, to end this.
I crafted everything up till now. And yet, you deny me.
Yes.
Shadow,
Yay. Dramatic finish. Dramatic finish. I can't do it like that one. The fighters. This is bad score. Don't look at me. I know how to do it now. It's just oof. To do it for the first time is was rough. Oy vey. Get out of here.
Nice work. Perfect timing, too. Sonic is getting ready to confront the monster that trapped us here. If I'm going to switch the emeralds without him noticing, we have to do it now.
There. You.
Damn it. Stop
Okay.
lagging right at the end.
I'll take care of it. Aren't you coming? He might need your help.
I need to settle something first.
Whatever.
Whatever, dude.
Shadow?
Yes. It me.
I knew you could do it.
Maria.
I'm okay. Really.
Professor,
Uh-oh.
what's happening?
Without Black Doom's influence, the time anomaly is beginning to heal. We are returning to our own point in time.
Yeah.
Stop Rouge. Use Chaos Control. Stop this moment in time.
Shadow? No. I don't want to be frozen in one place in time. Besides, your friends need your help.
But you
Yeah.
don't know what's going to happen.
I know I'll see you again. And if fate draws us apart, I will always be in your heart.
Maria. Wait.
Ah, the feels. It's like this extra ending to Sonic Adventure 2. Like an epilogue, that's what I'm trying to say. There it is. Ha. Oy vey. That was a lot quicker than I heard it was. I heard it was like 6 hours. I think I finished it in like 5 something, 4. I think the first stream was only like a couple hours. That was really fun though. I enjoyed myself. And we still have all the extra stuff to do, and Sonic Generations 1 with the Sonic Adventure skin from the old Dreamcast games. So that's cool. I always thought that game was longer, but apparently that's pretty short too. They're about the same length or something. Either way, I had a good time. It was very solid. Just enough difficulty to tick me off, which is always fun. You feel more satisfied after you finish something like that. Maybe I'll look at Sonic, like, I could skip the credits, cool. Oh yeah, we never went to the museum either. Oh, it was about 4.5 hours, okay. So, does something change, or is he just still gonna be floating there like I never beat him yet? Also, can I just use the wings whenever I want now? Oh. Hello. The Doom Zone. Not only will the number of white space challenge gates increase, but triangle challenges and bosses will become more difficult. Oh. No, not yet. So is that... Yeah, Doom's still there, okay. I'll activate this later on. So... Let's see. I still need to get those thingies. I'm not gonna get them tonight. Let's see. Oh, they're still hanging out, and Rouge. And well, I guess all the characters that are here normally. How many of these did I end up getting? Wow. 20. Wow, there's still a lot.
Yes.
We don't age, so... 96. Oh, okay. I wonder what happens when you get all these. I'm very interested. So let's look at the collection room. Oh, it's an actual room. Oh wait, no, I just got here. Motorcycle. Oh, is it just like... It's just some story. I was, for a second, I think it was gonna be like cutscenes or something. Oh well. At least you get to actually get on the motorcycle. I guess that's something. Characters. Big the Cat. Maria Robotnik. Gerald Robotnik. Orbot. Cubot. Wait, why is Rouge not on here? I talked to Rouge. What the heck? This is just all the movies. Okay. That's cool. I always like that. This is a cute little area. Oh, Bingo Highway. I kind of remember this now. I don't remember any of the music from this game. Central City. The Doom. Sonic 06 music. That's really low. Compare the rest of it. Radical Train. Wow, I thought I got more than that. I guess not. I still have 9 things of music that I can unlock. It's been a while since I had this game. I owned this one first out of all the adventure stuff. I never had a Dreamcast, but I had this first. And then DX. Then Heroes. And that was about it. Back then. Like recently I got stuff, like I got caught up with Generations and Forces and Mania. And all that stuff. Color palette. I'm surprised we didn't get to be Super Shadow. Kind of disappointed. I mean, we were like Chaos Shadow, whatever you want to call it. Like that's a little disappointing. It's not a big deal. Concept arts are always cool. Either things that are in the game or what could have been in the game. I know this is in there. I remember Iblis watching people fight. That's cool. I don't know why. I just like some people prefer DX's shiny models, whatever. I don't know. I kind of like the Sonic Adventure 2 stuff better. And I don't know if you can get this guy later on, if you didn't get this digital deluxe version. I think we're done. Yep. Oh, there's a journal. I guess I can't read that because it's just the front and back cover. Cool. I want this book. Well, that was interesting, I guess. And Doom is just kind of hanging out now. The eye is just kind of going in its own direction. So I got this fun little place to go into if we ever want to. Oh, this is the first area. I was kind of confused of where I was for a second. Yeah. I guess just save again. I want to do like Green Hill Zone real quick for Generations. This will not be reflected in cutscenes. I just want to see it at the start real quick to see what it looks like. I'm not gonna show the original cutscene because we're gonna do that another time. Sure, why not? Decoys. Oh, I was not expecting classic first. I forgot. For some reason I thought it started with 3D Sonic, I don't know. I've never been a huge fan of side-scrolling Sonic because I just was always bad at them.
Damage. You'll drop all the rings you've collected. If you take damage when you have no rings left, you'll lose a life. So be
Ow.
careful.
Just for example purposes.
Use the spin dash to break through the rocks and continue on.
Yeah, I should have just turned that off. Well. I always love the robot crabs though. Like these are honestly a lot more fun to play than some of the levels. Whoops, I just, whatever. Like I'm awful at Mania. Oh, I guess it's mainly because the I'm kind of farther in the game there. I got to the water levels and then I just died. I just never got past them. Yay. S. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna show that this time. Oh, there he is. It's so weird to see Sonic Adventure 1 Sonic like this. Yeah.
You can do a homing attack whenever a lock-on cursor appears after jumping. Zero in on enemies and take them down.
Ah, crap. See, in this version, you can use your,
Hold down the boost button for a boost of speed. Once the boost gauge on the lower left is empty, you can no longer
jump can boost too, but you can still use square.
collect rings to refill the boost gauge.
What?
Slide to move under obstacles.
We'll get there eventually. Oh yeah, this is like the fish thingy. I remember this part.
You can leap between the left and right rails while grinding.
Yeah, I remember this guy. I actually played the beginning of Adventure, or I mean Generations on Plant. I can't even speak. Whoops. Momentum ruined. Well, shit. Well, missed that. Wait a minute. I must kill the bee. Never mind. Just forget about it. Whoops. Ow. Missed the bees. Yeah. A. Oh, there we go. S. Okie doke. Well, that's the end of that, I guess. I don't care. Not yet. We'll play that when we get to that point again. I don't know if I'm going to start over. Chow hidden in various stages. You can check your save chow in the collection room. Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, so it's all saved on one thingy? I hope. Boop. Back to game select. I kind of just want to run around in Shadow's thing real quick. Just... Wait, why did it say like... Oh, okay, whatever. I thought it said like 6 hours. Maybe it said 6 minutes. Maybe I'm just not paying attention. It was fun. It was a really fun little thing. Like, for all the people expecting it to be like a completely like 40-hour game or something, that's really asking for too much. I like this area though. I can just run around and do whatever in. Hello, Big. Do you actually find Froggy somewhere? Is it just not ever in the game? I don't know.
No!
Oh, I already did this. I guess they just always have that above their head. I don't have any of these left. I still have a ton of pictures and music box thingies. I don't know where none of them are. $50 years ago. What the heck? Yeah, I don't know. I might do another stream to kind of do the extra stuff. at some point just to have a chill day. It was a fun little extra. It still feels like just kind of a DLC, I guess. There's still a lot to do, but I guess I'd say it's worth the price. I do want to play that Mario thing at 1.2 that was with Super Mario 3D World. I've never touched that at all, but it definitely reminds me of that kind of. I heard someone say something about a secret character. I don't know if that's just movie Keanu Reeves, like Shadow, or do everything in the game and unlock it kind of thing. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging out. I am going to go ahead and end for today because did one stream earlier and one stream now. So these will both be uploaded to the VOD channel, Ixolith TV, if you want to go follow me over there. And yeah. Wait, did I already do it? Guess I did. Okay. Listen to this cool ass menu theme again. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good weekend. I will see you probably on Monday. I'm gonna take a chill weekend and try to get some things finalized for Halloween purposes that are kinda Halloween, kinda not. Yep, see you later.